So what is happening to Virgin Galactic stock, which is also extremely new to the public market, is just insane. After pulling up more than 550%, it then however started to pull back from those all-time highs and is currently down about 61% since the peak. So what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is happening to the stock and break down exactly whether it is a buy at the end of this video. Bear in mind, however, that it is absolutely crucial to know what we have to talk about today before buying the stock, so stay tuned for that. Before we jump right in, however, just make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, let's start by talking about the company itself. So its business, space tourism, is a virtually non-existent industry right now, but according to analysts at UBS, it could generate up to $3 billion annually by 2030. And even that projection pales in comparison to hypersonic travel, which could generate up to $20 billion by that time. Despite near-term challenges, Virgin Galactic is still one of the best ways to bet on both of these opportunities, giving it multi-bagger potential. Nevertheless, and this is crucial to consider for our prediction at the end of this video, the company has been under pressure since an aborted test flight in December when an onboard computer failed to connect, leading the motor to shut off as part of the vehicle's fail-safe mechanism. This setback has sent shares down by roughly 27% since the incident, but it doesn't destroy the company's long-term thesis. According to the president of Space Missions and Safety, the problem was caused by electromagnetic interference from one of the vehicle's systems, which we talked about more in detail in the last video about the company's stock. And to fix the issue, Virgin Galactic has then added components to prevent and suppress EMI generation from the ship's computers or wiring. Management hasn't provided word on when the next test flight will be yet, but the company plans to conduct 2 more flights before flying its founder Richard Branson to space, which could open the doors for multiple commercial operations. With zero revenue and an unproven industry, however, Virgin Galactic has a very binary risk-to-reward profile, either it succeeds or it doesn't. But with $617 million in cash on its balance sheet compared to a cash burn of $50 million in the first quarter, the company has a substantial runway. And with recent moves in the stock, Wall Street analysts reversed themselves and upgraded the stock as well, which is also very important for our prediction at the end. Bernstein analyst Douglas Harn, for example, initiated coverage of Virgin Galactic only last month with an outperform rating and a price target of $27 per share. Yet after the Rocketeer reported earnings on May 10th and merely said it was evaluating its next launch date, many took that to mean another delay, and Harn lowered his target to $18, a 33% drop. Following the Unity's successful launch, however, he hiked his price target back up to $27 per share again, this time citing Virgin's highly attractive economics once it is up and running. With a craft that promises to reduce travel time between New York and London to just 2.5 hours, about a third of what it takes today, Virgin is angling toward making consumer space travel an everyday occurrence, as we said before. In comparison, SpaceX seems focused more on the commercial aspects of it, meaning those highly attractive economics should have been apparent regardless. Harn admits the 50% gap between his 2 price targets could be rapidly closed during pre-market trading, and Virgin stock was already up 20% heading into the market open. If Virgin Galactic ends up not meeting his target right away, Harn contends the former SPAC stock becomes a much more attractive investment. Alright, with that being it for today's video, however, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.